One of the barriers to mass adoption is to actually onboard hundreds of thousands of users onto blockchain without them even knowing it. And this is one project that has done that, and it went completely under the radar. You probably didn't hear about it. It's not in the crypto spheres. So let me tell you all about this one. Strap in, this is going to be pretty good. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Peter Bury. If this is first time here, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe button, and I'll keep you guys up to date with what's happening in the crypto space and specifically everything around Cardano. Now, this was all announced a couple of weeks ago. Now, what exactly is beHub? It is a no-fuss, simple solution to get medical devices and product information to healthcare workers anywhere, anytime. beHub is a single integrated platform to consolidate product information for all medical devices or products used in hospitals in one place, making it easier for frontline healthcare workers to do their job and take care of their patients. So essentially, they have all the data around all the medical devices and what hospitals it is in, and all this type of information that healthcare workers need. Now, the really cool thing that they've done here is they've created self-sovereign identities, or DIDs, with all the healthcare workers there. Now, when they go through the system, they need to be accredited to use the various medical devices out there, where it's an X-ray machine or a CAT scan, whatever it might be. And all of that data is now digitally encrypted onto their digital identity, their self-sovereign identity, and it is all done within the Cardano ecosystem. So as a healthcare worker moves from one hospital to another, they'll be able to take their self-sovereign identity and verify their credentials to work on different devices and machinery within the hospital network. And this can all be done and verified with their credentials, which are all stored on chain. So you can't fake it, you can't manipulate that type of data or create fake credentials and say that you can work on particular devices, reducing that type of risk of an operator or using a device that they're not supposed to be using. So this is really, really good use of blockchain technology here. Let me read you the announcement. We're excited to announce the strategic partnership between beHub and Selfdriven Foundation, bringing innovation blockchain technology to healthcare. By integrating self-sovereign identities and on-chain assets functionality powered by Cardano blockchain, we're enhancing how clinicians access and verify vital medical information, particularly in regional and remote areas. This partnership strengthens identity security, education, and skill verification for healthcare professionals, trainers, and medical device manufacturers. Already, we're seeing positive impact in Alice Springs hospitals across Murrumbidgee Local Health Districts, where beHub's platform is improving the efficiency, quality of care for clinicians on the front lines. So just put some context here. If you don't know where Alice Springs and Murrumbidgee area is, here it is on the map here. It's remote areas of Australia where they may not be connected to various infrastructure networks to be able to gain this type of information and verify that someone can work on a particular machine or have particular credentials to be able to operate within the hospital. So having all this data verified on chain is absolutely brilliant. I think this is a really good use case for blockchain in general and self-sovereign identities. Now, I did ask Mark exactly how this worked and for some of the technicals, and this is what he explained to me here. At a high level, each of the clinicians, medical devices, and associated skills will get their own SSI DID issued. Clinician training on medical devices will be captured as SSI verifiable credentials with all keys, SSI proofs, data hashes, etc., anchored on Cardano. Then as clinicians move between hospitals, the hospital admins and educators can easily determine which medical devices they have experiences with and which they need training based on their SSI identity integrated into beHub. Now, if you haven't heard of Selfdriven, this is headed up by Mark Byers. He is a prominent community member in the Sydney Cardano space, and he works on a whole bunch of things, but one of his products that he is building out is Self-Driven Identity. This is it here. It has a whole tech stack in regards to how it all works. So if you're interested in learning more about this SSI solution, check out the links down below and you can find out exactly how it all works. Contact Mark and maybe you have a use case where you can implement this and onboard users onto Cardano itself. Mark also has a Fund 13 Catalyst proposal if you want to check that out. It's all about integrating and improving how beHub integrates in with their SSI solution and onboarding more users onto the platform in general. So overall, this is all really exciting. Now, if you want to learn more about self-sovereign identities and try and push for more self-sovereign identity solutions on Cardano, there is a special interest working group at the moment within Intersect. So if you want to try and push for this really cool enterprise solution out there, join Intersect. Join this special interest group and you can learn more about SSIs and how they can be integrated into everyday life. All right, that's all I have for this video update. If you're bullish about this news, if you love Cardano updates, hit that thumbs up on your way out, like, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.